In the Baroque ballet of Bot Blunders, where EAs pirouette from promise to perdition, I've been the jaded jester juggling the gold throne EA MT4 on my IC Markets throne room for months. And gadzooks, it's ascended my account to plus 32% gains with the solemnity of a crowned con artist. A Telegram jester jested it's the EA that dethrones drawdowns. And after its regal romp through reversals, I'm compelled to compose this courtly critique. Attend my review of this sovereign swindler of spreads. The zip folder for the gold throne. EAMT4 disrobes with ducal dignity. A swift right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as laconic as a lord's lunch. I conveyed the EX4 to MT4's expert's estate, refreshed with reverence, enthroned the gold throne EAMT4 upon US30's H1 dais, decreed the set file, and it decreed trades post-haste. No caprice, no capricious DLLS, merely the majesty of immediacy? Consult MyFXBook as one might a court circular, and there the gold throne EAMT4 holds court with plus 32.52% gain grandeur on IC markets since April 2024, elevating $10,000 deposits to $13,252 balance with $3,252 profit. No withdrawals, preserving the purse strings. Daily 0.05% decorum. Monthly 32.35% pomp. Equity curve. A stately stroll satirizing the stumbles of serf.